I want to show you all a way to pin something that would be over in Windows 8 that you may want to have show up here on your desktop. I'm going to hit the Windows key on my computer and jump into the Windows 8 side. And let's just start Outlook 2003, and I will get that thing up and running. And then you'll notice it's not even over here yet, but it's on the Windows 8 side. But since I have the program running now, I can right click on it. I can pin this program to the taskbar. Now the nice thing about that is I've got it pinned down here, so I've got it where I want it to be able to launch. But you could also unpin it from here and have it up here in your Windows desktop. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to close the program. Now even though I've closed it, it's still pinned down here, which is nice. But if you hold the mouse over here and you hold the shift key and right click, you can then have an option of sending this program that you've pinned to the desktop. And by doing that, what you have done is you've created a shortcut on the desktop. And so now here it is over here. So if you didn't want to have it pinned down here, you could unpin it from the taskbar and it would take it away from here, but you would still have it left up here. So this gives you a couple of options on what you can do with for instance, Windows Outlook that is over on the Windows 8 side. You just go over and find the program that you want to run, and once you have it running, let's just do another one here. Let's do the PowerPoint, and it's going to be up over here. And now I'm going to right click on it. I can pin it to the taskbar. And now I'm going to right click and I'm just going to close it. And I'm going to put my mouse back on it again, hold the shift key down, right click, and then I can send this program to the desktop and create a shortcut. And boom, just like that, I have quickly pinned down here, or I have quickly created shortcuts from the Windows 8 side and put them over on what many people are used to seeing, the Windows desktop. So I hope that helps, and I encourage you to try it to see if it will work for you. One other thing I want to show you, if you haven't found it yet, is the SendTo folder or SendTo area on Windows 8. I have a shortcut that I have created here, but let's look at it real quick. I'm going to double click on it, and you can see here my username, app data, roaming, Microsoft, Windows, SendTo. This is the path that gets you to the SendTo folder, to where you can add other options in the SendTo window when you right click and want to send something somewhere. If you don't have a shortcut, this is where you would put a shortcut in by just going down to the bottom of the window, right click, new, go over here to shortcut, and then you can browse your Windows directory. And if there's anything that you may want to create a shortcut for in the SendTo folder, for instance, you want to send files from one area to another area quickly without having to find the files in one folder and then copy them, drag them over, find the path, blah, blah, blah. You can quickly make a shortcut in here so that when you're in the first folder where your files are at, you can find those files, right click on them, click Send To, and because you've created a shortcut in your Send To folder, you can now send those files quickly to a new folder, especially if you had a folder for a backup area. So I encourage you all to maybe try some of those, see how they work. And with that, I will close, and y'all have a great day.